If your iPhone stops charging or slows down a lot at 80% charge, this is how you fix that. Go into the settings. I'm running iOS 26 right now, and this is how it works on iOS 26. Go to battery, and then go to battery health and charging. And right at the bottom down here, it says optimize battery charging. To reduce battery aging, iPhone learns from your daily charging routine so it can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it. Which doesn't make sense to me. Like, how does it know to go past 80% when I need it? How does it know when I need past 80%? But that aside, doesn't make sense, but that aside, you turn this off, and you can choose to turn off completely or just until tomorrow, and then it's not going to slow down at 80% or stop at 80%. It's going to blast right through, charge to 100, and then your phone will be fully charged. And if you're worried about your phone draining battery too quickly, check out this video here. It shows 6 different ways, 6 different settings, 6 different background processes that your phone runs all the time that drain your battery that you can turn off if you want to and slow down the battery drain. So check out that video next. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.